guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, I want to welcome you. Today I'm going to leave you with a 2025 banner making recap. And the very first banner I'm going to share with you guys is going to be a football themed banner for a birthday party. They wanted the team colors and of course the star player, which is the birthday boy. He is number 7 in his team, and it was so cool that we got to incorporate that into the design. And in case you're wondering, this banner is a 30 by 50 size, which is the most popular size I offer. We are so close to being finished with this banner. All we need to do is add happy birthday Mason and we will be ready to go. Let me know in the comments what you think about this banner. And next up, we're going to have a very fun theme banner for a Five Nights at Freddy for this child that needed a blend of scary and humor, because we added a cute little cupcake to this unique birthday banner with all of the details they requested, because only handmade would nail it. When I got the order placed for this banner, they wanted a mix of Five Nights at Freddy's, this smiling face cupcake, and also they love video games and they were turning 12. So I needed to add all of that into this banner that was 30 by 30, and I think we hit it spot on. I really want to know what you think about this theme. Very particular, very unique, but oh so fun. I truly do believe that we actually leveled up with this banner. I can't even imagine the reaction of this kid when he received everything he wanted all in one banner. So fun. I just love doing what I do. There's no words. And all the elements to just finish up this banner, I could not ask for anything better. This yellow could have been a little bit better, but that is alright. And this is the final banner. And now we are going to do a super unique and vertical banner for a dance academy. How fun is that? And funny story about this banner, when they first requested the mock-up, they added just dance, color purple. So I went all ballerina. Don't ask me why, but I sent them a mock-up with all the colors they wanted, but nothing but ballerinas, and they were like, I love it, but that's not exactly what we do. We're inclusive. There's boys and girls, and not just girls with pink dresses. Of course, I fixed that right away. I created a few different mock-ups. I added all the elements that you see here, and they fell in love. So I was so excited and relieved because I nailed their vision. They ended up ordering a second one, which was horizontal, same elements, a different layout, but both turned out so fun and very unique. Here are both of the banners, and another one completed. Our next banner up is going to be a 16th birthday for Alessandra, and she is a very girly girl, so we wanted to add a lot of florals, her big bold name right in the center, because today was all about her. So as always, I created 2 mock-ups. I sent them over and they went with this one that was more simple, very elegant, but oh so girly, and the flowers just give it a very special touch. I absolutely love painting flowers, but these were some of my favorite ones, and the size of them was very fun and very easy and just so straightforward to do that. You guys have to leave me a comment if you guys want me to do tutorials and stuff like this. I would definitely love to do that. But yeah, make sure you leave it in the comments. So now we're just adding all the final details, like the name to make it even more bold. And it was Alessandra's Sweet 16, and what a sweet celebration and what an awesome banner. Let me know what you think about this one. Alright you guys, this has to be one of my ultimate favorite ones that I did in 2025. It was the largest size I offer. It is a 30 by 90, and it was We Can Barely Wait themed with teddy bears and balloons and baby blue colors, and I am in love with this banner. From the watercolor styles to every single element, I was just in love. Such a sweet time for a mama, such a sweet time for family to get together, and what a sweet banner theme this absolutely was. And we are so close to being done with this banner, and now we're just adding all the lettering in a darker blue so it stands out, and I just could not wait to finish this. I was so excited, and like I said already, absolutely in love. A few final details and our banner is finally complete. We can barely wait. And up next, we are going to have a 30 by 90 super whimsical fairy tale full of joy banner. This was a very first birthday banner for this little girl, Callie, and such a sweet theme. Big, huge shout out to this mama for celebrating in style and of course for having me make her baby a banner. So along with this large banner, they also ordered a 30 by 30, same exact details and elements, except that one had 12 squares so she could add a picture of every month of her baby's first year. What a sweet and thoughtful idea was that. So now as you can see me here, we're adding all the line details of this banner that make the design just pop up and look so much cuter. And this is the final banner. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? And next up, we're going to have a super fun and very popular theme, which is, you guessed, it's Minecraft. And call me old school, but I am not very up to date with all these video games and popular themes, so definitely making banners has opened up my world to the actual world around me. And this birthday was for Carter. It was his 4th birthday celebration. How exciting. I remember when my babies were 4. Now they're much older and much wiser, hopefully. Most definitely. Anyways, 4 is such a wonderful age. And I have to be honest, this was definitely a fun one to paint. I was very intimidated, I'm not gonna lie. All the colors, all the little tiny squares that had to be added to this design were a little bit weird. It's maybe not one of my best that I've done, but it came out a-okay. And I think Carter would approve. Now we're just adding all the lettering and we're almost done with this banner. Let me just tell you, painting pixelated lettering is not my forte. And now for a change of scenery, this is a banner for a classroom. I was so excited about this one because every single day, little tiny minds were going to see this banner every time they walked up and down the hallway. What a blessing and what an honor that really is. And as you can probably already guess, the theme for this banner was a very hungry caterpillar, which was such a fun and popular theme that I had an absolute blast designing and painting it. Paint a few little fruits for this specific theme and then finish up the caterpillar and we will be officially done. All we need is the lettering and we are done. Now we are off to a purple start and I'm gonna let you guess on this one as I move forward in the design. I want you to leave in the comments if you guessed it. No cheating. What I am gonna say is that it was for a 5th birthday celebration and by the shape you can probably already start to guess. And in case you didn't nail it, this is Spongebob Squarepants. What a fun birthday theme. Shoot, I want it to be my birthday and I want to do this theme. Okay, maybe not. I'll just stick to painting banners, but either way, this was so amazingly fun. This yellow was not cooperating. I had to do way too many layers, but it turned out so beautiful. Now for the final touches, we're just adding happy 5th birthday, Kayla, in a very soft blue, and that ties our whole design together. And what a pretty banner. I really like this one. It was so fun. And of course, the outline work that could not be skipped. If you have been following me, you know that I love outlining literally everything that I do, and just makes every piece that much more intricate and pretty. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done a Spongebob Squarepants birthday celebration party or whatever. I've seen adults who have done it and their parties are absolutely epic. No judgment here. absolutely done with this banner. Let me know what you thought of this 5th birthday banner for sweet little Kayla. And now it is time to do a super popular, and I mean popular, I did a lot more than I can count of this particular theme. I don't regret any of it, but they are a lot of work. Let me know if by now you can guess what this theme is going to be. And in case you're wondering why I outline everything in white, even if they're not going to be white, it's because my colors just pop that much more when they are layered on white. Plus, instead of outlining my paintings with white, I just leave it as an underbase and then just leave the edge white, and that way they look like stickers. Okay, by now you definitely know what theme I am talking about. And you will probably agree that more than once you have been to a birthday party that is this theme. How funny is that? But I don't blame them. This is such a sweet cartoon. Birthday banner was actually for a joint birthday party for Hunter and for Story. How sweet is that? So instead of just adding Bluey, we added Bingo as well. What a sweet scene. We finished up this banner with some daisies, rainbows, and a squiggly border, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now we're about to start a Glam Girl birthday party. What a fantastic and beautiful theme. I had such a blast with this one. All the details were insane and it was just so girly and pretty. I could not get enough. From all of the pink shades to the Louis Vuitton purse to the lipstick, the disco ball and the cursive. Oh my goodness, this was such a dream banner. From the very first moment that this customer requested all of the details, I already had a vision and I could not wait to execute it. Oh my goodness. The little perfume bottle is so pretty. I feel like on this one, I should have not done that outline just to make it look more soft and whimsical, but either way, it turned out so pretty. No regrets here. I am dying to know what you think about this birthday party banner. This was my very first time painting a Louis Vuitton purse and I had a blast. This gold marker was definitely my bestie on this one. This does not do it justice. I absolutely love how this Gianna is 2 Glam Girls banner turned out. And ahead we're going to be painting another joint birthday party for 2 siblings, Huntrix Haley and her little brother who loves bike riding. I did 2 separate videos on this banner and I don't know what happened to the other half, so I'm only going to be sharing the process as I outline this half. And here we are again with another banner that didn't come out so great. My daughter was hysterically laughing at my 3 girls. She said they look like they came from a horror movie. Yeah, but that is okay. Our birthday girl loved it and that's all that matters. I don't know if you can tell, but I had a little bit of a hard time blending these 2 themes together, but we made it work and it came out pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Now it's time to start this Lilo and Stitch theme banner for Lila. It is her 9th birthday, and as you can tell, she loves Stitch. I added a fun and simple black border to this one. Nothing too fancy because we want this to be fun and simple. And of course, we added a party hat to Lilo because he is a party machine. A couple of yellow stars here and there, and happy birthday, Lila. Again with the outline, and our banner is almost complete. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. And if you've made it this far in my video, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me, and you being here and watching my content is just a heaven-sent blessing. So thank you. And if you're watching this video and are still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, follow my content so you don't miss my upcoming videos, like and comment, share it if you will. Any interaction that you have with my content helps my channel so much. I am so excited that you're here, and let's move on to the next banner. And as we already dived right in, this banner is "So do you want to build a snowman?" And it is the movie Frozen theme. Such a perfect birthday theme for a winter birthday party or at any time of the year for that matter. And as you can tell, this is for a second birthday party. We added the main characters of this movie, a couple of snowflakes, and a lot of glitter. Her dress in the number 2 had a lot of glitter and it sparkled so pretty. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Next up is going to be another second birthday party banner for a sweet little boy that is in love with trains. And in this case, he is in love with Thomas the Train. How sweet and cute is that? Let me know in the comments, if you have a 2-year-old, what are 2-year-olds into nowadays? Because our sweet little Liam is obsessed with Thomas the Train. This banner is a 30 by 90, so it's pretty large, and I had a lot of room to add a lot of details, but I didn't want to be overwhelming because Thomas the Train was the center, as this little boy absolutely loved this character, so we wanted to make it big and bold. I added the text "Choo Choo, look who's 2" and his name, which is Liam. We are now done with this banner, and this is what it looks like. And now we're about to start one of the funnest and brightest banners that I have done, with lots of checkerboard patterns and 3 simple colors, black, white, and yellow, which turned out to be the perfect color combination. And yes, I used a stencil because I was not about to spend 5 hours painting square by square. So hey, work smarter, not harder, so they say. And again, the yellow is always giving me a hard time and needing way too many coats, but not a problem. We do what we do and we make it work. And just like that, we are done with another fantastic banner. I want to know your thoughts. Do you like the style? Do you love the colors? And do you love the stencil idea? Our next up banner is a Winnie the Pooh theme with such a pretty sage green background with the yellow edges pops so incredibly beautiful. And I included Winnie the Pooh and the tiger from that same cartoon. And one thing you have to know is that I love cursive lettering on these banners. In case you didn't know, Nace Rustic Script, which is the name of my small business that I started back in 2017, and it all started with hand lettering and it's evolved into what it is now. So hand lettering, free hand lettering, is always so near to my heart. I enjoy it, I love it, and I don't think I will ever stop doing this, whether it's on small projects, big projects. Hand lettering is definitely one of my first loves. And now back to our banner. It's Christian's first birthday celebration, and now all we have left is the outlining. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this timeless birthday theme? And last but not least, you have made it to the last birthday banner of this video, and this banner almost broke the internet. So I had to leave it last, and you probably have seen it there. This one definitely caused political debates and a lot of emotional damage. Comment section was crazy, y'all. I had no idea at the time when I posted this video that it was going to go crazy. So if you haven't seen this one yet, make sure you go to my shorts and find it. You will definitely see and know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now the fun facts about creating this one. This one was a welcome to kindergarten. Very simple, no crazy details, just the mascot of the school, some books, a pencil, scissors, and a notebook page. I will say though that I had a blast creating the mock-up, doing the actual banner, and the reveal was pretty epic. And of course, the funnest part of it all was sharing it with you guys and seeing your reactions. Just like that, you have made it to the end of my video, and this is the final reveal of the banner that almost broke me and the internet. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye-bye!